punctuation marks. The full stop, the comma, the exclamation mark, the question mark, the colon and semicolon, the quote, that is inverted commas, the apostrophe, the hyphen, dash, capital letters and brackets. They are punctuation marks. They are indicators and are used in written text to separate sentences or a part of a sentence from another. Do you know why people use them while writing? Because without their proper usage, the sentence will not convey proper sense or may convey something else than desired. Here is an example. Jyoti said, "Amy is a fool." Jyoti said Amy is a fool. You see that the words are the same in both the sentences. Jyoti said Amy is a fool. But it is the punctuation magic which turns Amy into a fool in the first sentence. And in the second sentence, Amy turns Jyoti into a fool. Full stop or a period. The full stop is used to mark the end of a declarative or imperative sentence. Example, I see a house. After abbreviations of names or titles or degrees. Mr. James Smith, Doctor, BA, MA, etc. Question mark is also called mark of interrogation. Question mark is used at the end of all types of questions such as direct questions, question tags, etc. Example, when are we going? Question. We are going to Delhi, aren't we? Question tag. Comma. The comma is used to separate more than two words in a series. Example, my mother is very smart, fashionable and educated. To separate pair of words. Example, politicians, young or old, experienced or inexperienced, educated or illiterate, want to become ministers. To separate long clauses of compound sentences linked by a conjunction like and, as, but, etc. Example, we had been participating for long, but sadly the function was postponed. To separate yes or no from the sentence. Example, yes, I am present. To separate question tags, a word or phrase. Example, Asha misbehaved with you, didn't she? To separate reporting verb from the reported speech. Example, she said, I am beautiful. To separate certain expressions such as however, of course, in short, etc. Example, in short, the movie was hopeless. Apostrophe. An apostrophe is used to show possession. Example, Sita's shoes, boys' school, and to show time and distance and money. Example, the judge has given them 2 weeks' time. 5 years extension is a big time. To show omission of some letters during contraction in the form of a word. Example, I will is shortened into I'll. They will is shortened into they'll.